Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel SGM Islam. Viewers, I'm here with a new reward story. This story is about German Joshua Aspiter. Joshua Aspiter was a young man known for his intellect, discipline, and deep curiosity about life's purpose. As a Bachelor of Mathematics Management, he possessed a logical and analytical mind. His academic pursuit made him a firm believer in the power of evidence and reason, and his personal life was characterized by a relentless search for truth. Joshua's journey began during a casual conversation with a friend who mentioned Islam in passing. While he was not religiously inclined, he had always been fascinated by the philosophies and ideologies that guided humanity. That brief conversation planted a seed of curiosity in his heart. What is Islam? What makes it one of the fastest growing religions in the world? These questions lingered in his mind, compelling him to explore further. Determined to understand Islam thoroughly, Joshua decided to read the Holy Quran. He approached the task with the same rigor he applied to his mathematical studies, viewing the Quran not as a religious text, but as a subject of study. He wanted to evaluate its teachings critically and objectively, seeking to determine if it truly held the truth. Joshua obtained a translation of the Holy Quran in his native language and began reading it diligently. From the very first chapter, Surah Fatiha, he was struck by its profound simplicity and depth. He found the Quran's message consistent, logical, and deeply reflective of the natural order he had studied in mathematics. Verses about the creation of the universe, the balance of the nature, and the purpose of life resonated with him. What stood out most to Joshua was the Quran's emphasis on monotheism, accountability, and justice. He was particularly moved by the description of Allah's attribute, the most merciful, the most justice, the all-knowing. These attributes he thought presented a perfect balance between compassion and justice, qualities he believed any true deity should possess. As he read, Joshua encountered verses that raised question in his mind. Instead of dismissing them, he sought answers. He decided to visit a local mosque, where he introduced himself to the Imam with humility and a genuine thirst for knowledge. Joshua began asking his question. The Imam, the Islamic scholar, and other members of the mosque welcomed him warmly, appreciating his sincerity. For months, Joshua visited the mosque daily, engaging in discussions about theology, morality, and the practical aspects of Islamic life. He admired the humility and patience of the Muslim community, who never pressured him to accept Islam but encouraged him to seek the truth at his own pace. Slowly but surely, his doubts began to fade, replaced by a growing conviction that Islam was indeed the truth. One evening, after months of study, prayer, and reflections, Joshua found himself alone in his room reading the Quran, and he read a verse describing Allah's knowledge of everything in the heaven and the earth. A profound sense of clarity washed over him. He realized that all his questions had been answered, and his heart felt at peace for the first time in his life. He knew, without a shadow of the doubt, that Islam was the truth. The following day, Joshua returned to the mosque and declared his intention to embrace Islam. With tears in his eyes and the Shahada, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his final messenger. On his lips, he submitted to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. His journey from skepticism to certainty that culminated in this beautiful moment of faith. Joshua's conversion was a source of inspiration to many. He remained steadfast in his practice of Islam, performing his prayers, fasting, and learning more about his new faith. He also shared his journey with others, emphasizing the importance of seeking knowledge and asking questions about the religion that can transform your life. Joshua became an active member of his local Muslim community, mentoring others who were exploring Islam. His story touched the hearts of many, as it was a testament to the transformative power of truth and the guidance of Allah. As Joshua continues his journey as a Muslim, he prays for his strength and guidance to remain steadfast in his faith. The Muslim community around him prays for him as well, asking Allah to make him a beacon of light for others seeking the truth. May Allah Almighty keep Joshua Aspiter firm in his faith, bless him abundantly, and make him a means of guidance for many more souls. Indeed, Allah guides whom He wills, and His guidance is the greatest blessing one can receive. This was the story of Joshua. It was from Germany, and I hope you like his reverse story. And this is how Allah guides whom He wills. Share this story with your non-believer friends, non-Muslim friends, so that this story can inspire them to revert to Islam. Take care.